Hello and welcome to my 3D printer project. This is my first video in a series of making a 3D printer. It is actually my first video on YouTube ever, so bear with me. The 3D printer is supposed to be a Prusa Mendel i2. We'll see if it will become that or something else. The plan is to build a kind of a strap model first and then try to print the plastic parts. Inspiration is taken from the 1x2 or 1x2 RepRap designs. I really like the Silvercat approach, but it is unfinished and there is a lot of gaps to fill in. So I'll figure out some of it myself and use some ideas from the standard 1x2 and from stuff I find online. So the plan is to start out easy and make a strap without using too much money. As you can see, the joints are made of threaded rods with vinyl tubing and washers and nuts. I've ordered a lot of the parts from eBay, different countries. Here you can see some of them. This is the connector for the Z-axis, which will connect the threaded rods to the motor shaft. These are the skateboard bearings and the liner bearings for the smooth rods. I'm still waiting for the smooth rods and the motors from eBay. Here you can see the print bed. This is actually a picture frame, 20 by 20 centimeters. The glass and the MDF. This will go on top here and move back and forth as the y-axis. Here you can see, of course it will not be the threaded rods and it will be underneath, but the principle will be like this. I've also received some of the electronics. Here you can see a ramps board. Actually, when I got it, some of the pins were a bit bent, but I've bent them back and hopefully that will work. Here you can see one of the stepper motor drivers. There's 5 of these, and here you see the heat sink. I found out I have to put on the heatsink myself, and I have ordered some thermal tape for this. So this is the end detector for the axis. It's an optical sensor. Here you get an overview of all of the parts so far. I've decided to make the extruder myself from some wood, and for that I'll need a hobbed bolt. So here you have an M8 times 50mm bolt. I'm going to use this as the hobbed bolt for the extruder. I'm going to use this tap for making the teeth or indentations in the bolt. So this is how far I've gotten by now. I'll come back with more when I've gotten more parts and had the chance to build some more. Thank you for watching.